Hi everyone, Alex Mendiola here. As promised, I'll be sharing a sound test of the jar sub in this video. Now if you haven't seen the build video yet, go ahead and click up here to check it out. It's only about 4 minutes long. I built the jar sub in the last video, but I thought it might be helpful to have something to compare it to. So I built this small enclosure for that very reason. And it'll house the same DS165 from Dayton Audio that I used in the jar sub. Okay, a couple of things to consider as we start the sound test. Number one, it's only going to sound as good as the speakers or the headphones that you're using. Number two, this is compressed audio over YouTube. And number three, my mic's okay, but it's not great. Before we start, I just want to say I hope you like this video, and I hope it earns your subscription to my channel. If you do like it, hit the thumbs up button. And let me know in the comments which speaker you think sounds best, the jar or the box. I'll post the results here and on Instagram next week. And lastly, if you want to be notified when my next video drops, hit that bell icon. Okay, without any further ado, here's the sound test. Pretty good to me. I mean, it definitely packs a punch in both enclosures. But I want to know what you think. Let me know down in the comments which one you thought sounded better, the jar or the box. And I'll post the results of your feedback here and on Instagram next week. I've got a ton of ideas for videos for this year already, and if you want to see them, please hit the subscribe button. Doing so helps me be seen by more viewers, and if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. It also helps me capture a wider audience. And finally, if you haven't already, go check out the build video for the jar sub. As always, I'm Alex Mendiola. Thank you so much for watching, and catch me in the next one.